Imagine a world where the boundaries of reality are not what they seem, where hidden dimensions and alternate realities coexist, waiting to be explored. A world where the power of your mind, combined with the principles of quantum physics, holds the key to unveiling a universe within the universe. In this video, we embark on a mind-bending journey that will challenge everything you thought you knew. We delve into the uncharted territories of alternate dimensions, the multiverse, and the boundless potential for manifestation. We'll venture through the limitless landscapes of alternate dimensions, where reality exists in infinite forms. We'll explore the theory of the multiverse, where parallel universes coexist, each with its own unique possibilities and outcomes. But what if I told you that these alternate dimensions, these parallel realities, can be accessed and harnessed through the power of your mind? That by aligning your thoughts, emotions, and intentions, you can navigate through the quantum fabric of the universe itself? Through the art of visualization, we merge the now with the then, collapsing the boundaries of time and space. We tap into the quantum realm, where possibilities become certainties and dreams manifest into reality. So if you hunger for knowledge beyond the ordinary, if you yearn to tap into the depths of the unknown, then join us on this extraordinary expedition into the dimensions of the mind and the quantum mysteries of reality. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our mind-expanding content. As we navigate through the realms of alternate dimensions and manifestation, your support fuels our journey to uncover the secrets of the universe together. Get ready to be captivated, enlightened, and transformed. Get ready to awaken your greatest potential and manifest your wildest dreams. Welcome to a world beyond your imagination. Quantum physics suggests that consciousness plays a pivotal role in shaping our reality through what is known as the observer effect. This mind-boggling concept proposes that by simply observing or measuring a quantum system, we have the power to influence its behavior and determine its outcome. In other words, our conscious participation in the process of observation can fundamentally impact the way reality unfolds. To better understand this, let's consider an example. Imagine a famous quantum experiment called the double-slit experiment. In this experiment, a beam of light or particles is directed towards a barrier with two slits. When the particles are not observed, they behave as waves, passing through both slits and creating an interference pattern on a screen behind the slits. However, when the particles are observed, they behave as particles, creating two distinct patterns on the screen instead. This phenomenon suggests that the act of observing or measuring the particles collapses their wave-like behavior into a specific outcome. It implies that consciousness and the presence of an observer are intricately connected to the formation of our perceived reality. Another mind-bending aspect of quantum physics is the possibility of parallel universes existing alongside our own. According to some interpretations of quantum mechanics, every quantum event has multiple potential outcomes, and each outcome corresponds to a different reality or universe. This idea gives rise to the concept of the multiverse, a vast network of parallel universes, each with its own set of possibilities and events. Quantum jumps, also known as quantum leaps, are equally intriguing. These sudden transitions occur when a quantum system moves from one quantum state to another instantaneously, seemingly defying traditional concepts of gradual progression. This challenges the widely held beliefs about what is possible and illustrates the astonishing potential for rapid and profound transformation at the quantum level. Imagine experiencing a quantum jump in your own life. Perhaps you've been struggling with a particular challenge, and despite incremental progress, you feel stuck. Suddenly, in a quantum leap, everything falls into place, and you find yourself in a completely different state of being, leaving behind the limitations of the past. This extraordinary phenomenon demonstrates the extraordinary potential for rapid and profound change that exists within the quantum realm. Friends, let's consider the idea that our reality is created exclusively within our minds. Our awareness of who we are generally aligns with one particular reality out of the multitude of possibilities. It suggests that our thoughts, beliefs, and perceptions shape the world we experience. This concept invites us to reflect on how our inner landscape influences our external reality, and how, by shifting our mindset, we can potentially create new and transformative experiences. Shifting our perception and belief systems by taking quantum leaps allows us to alter the reality we experience. It involves stepping outside the boundaries of our current beliefs and limitations and embracing new possibilities that go beyond what we previously thought to be true. By taking these quantum leaps, we challenge the status quo and open ourselves up to new ways of thinking, feeling, and experiencing the world. Another fascinating aspect to explore is the flexibility of time. Our thoughts and feelings have the power to distort and manipulate our perception of time in a particular situation or circumstance. Have you ever noticed how time seems to fly by when you're engaged in an activity you enjoy, while it slows down when you're dreading something? This phenomenon highlights that our subjective experience of time is not fixed, but can be influenced by our state of mind. By understanding the malleability of time, we can potentially bend it to our advantage and create more fulfilling and meaningful experiences. Additionally, it's intriguing to consider that gaining access to alternate versions of ourselves through time and space can lead us to enter parallel universes or realities at an accelerated rate. Rather than being confined to the linear progression of time, we have the potential to tap into other versions of ourselves that exist in different moments and dimensions. This concept offers us a unique opportunity for growth, learning, and transformation beyond the limitations of conventional timelines. Now let's explore the concept of manifestation. Manifestation is about experiencing something now, not pursuing something we desire. By shifting our mindset to focus on the now, we align our thoughts, emotions, and actions with the reality we want to create. It involves stepping into the mindset of already having what we desire and embodying the feelings and emotions associated with that experience. Visualization is a powerful tool that helps us align our consciousness with our desires and close the gap between our current reality and desired outcomes. The visualization process involves imagining a bright sun and full moon merging together in your chest, then introducing an image of what you want to manifest into this space. By vividly imagining and feeling the experience of already having what we desire, we activate the creative forces of the universe and set the stage for manifestation to occur. Through this technique, we merge the concept of then with now. It enables us to transcend the constraints of linear time and enter a state of alignment where our desired reality can effortlessly manifest in the physical realm. By taking this quantum leap in our consciousness, we open ourselves up to the infinite possibilities that exist beyond, and there you have it, my friends. We've dived deep into the fascinating world of manifestation using quantum physics, exploring the incredible power of the law of attraction and the potential to access different dimensions and alternate pathways to our desired outcomes. By understanding that reality can be controlled with the power of our minds, we unlock a whole new realm of possibilities. It only takes a small amount of concentrated effort to shift our perceptions, beliefs, and focus away from the limitations of our physical senses. If you found this video inspiring and thought-provoking, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We would love to have you as part of our community. Please don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. We are always eager to hear your stories and insights as you embark on your own manifestation journey. Until we meet again in our next video, keep harnessing the power of your thoughts and beliefs. God bless.